The House of Cellini Luggage is proud to present the Royale collection, a pinnacle of luxury travel. It is hard shell, sophisticated and beautifully designed, so you feel radiant and exquisite. Welcome to the House of Cellini.
Have you ever felt jealous when you see those people walking out of the first class lounge or walking out of the first class seats on an aeroplane? They look like royalty with their expensive suitcases that came with genuine leather trims, expensive 100% polycarbonate materials. Haven't you ever wished that you had their lives? Well, now you have that opportunity because Cellini has developed Cellini Royale. It is quintessential, the best Cellini has to offer. But the best part is, it isn't going to cost you an arm and a leg to own the Cellini Royale. Cellini Royale now gives you all of that at a price that is affordable to you. It is genuine polypropylene. Let me show you all of the pieces. The handles of the trolley mechanism are matching. The feet of the suitcase are tan matching, as are the wheel housings and the wheel hubcaps. The case does have an expander as well, which gives you that extra 20% packing capacity. Let me open it up for you. The interior of the Royale has got this beautiful mink colored lining. The tan zips match the tan trims on the exterior. We have our wet pouch on the inside, a smaller pouch for those personal items like underwear, socks. We've got our smaller little hidden pouch section, and your second compartment has an expander section which adds 20%. I'm pretty certain the Cellini Royale is going to be one of Cellini's best sellers, purely because you just feel like royalty when you're walking down the runway with this piece.
The Royale comes in 3 sizes. The large 4-wheel expanded trolley case has packing volume of 115 litres whilst weighing only 4.46 kilograms. The medium 4-wheeler expanded trolley case has a packing volume of 77 litres while weighing only 3.66 kilograms. And finally, the 4-wheel expanded trolley carry-on luggage has a volume of 39 litres and weighs only 2.63 kilograms. All sizes of the Royale collection come in black and champagne colors. The Cellini Royale collection, where sophistication meets strength, a timeless design for the elegant traveler. Cellini Luggage. Travel with brilliance.